Facebook friends. Oh, I forgot to turn that damn notification thing off. Do not disturb. There we go. Hi, hello, Facebook friends. How are you? I learned a little something from all of the RuPaul's Drag Race queens that they take their phone and they put it in the bathroom and they get ready. So, hi, how you doing? Happy dark moon, if that's possible. I am live streaming from my bathroom today because I'm getting ready because I've got a full day ahead of me of creativity and healing and release and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, hi, Carol Ann. Stay away from the light, Carol Ann. Well, until new moon. Tomorrow, tomorrow is new moon. It's actually new moon in Gemini, on a Wednesday, which is sort of like a banner day for Mercury, communication, Hermes magic like crazy. So I'm really looking forward to all of that. And tonight I am kicking off the Wise Wealth Workshop, 7 p.m. at the Silver Broom. I've got such a curriculum prepared, and I don't care if anybody shows up. If nobody shows up, I'm going to fucking tape it, just me. Yes, it will be a little bit like a vlog, but tough titty. It's information I really do need to get out there, and I also need to get my hair. Look, there's a mirror here, too. I love my new bathroom. Need some more towel rods and hooks and shit, but we'll work on that. So tonight, 7 p.m., $15 at the Silver Broom, I am teaching the Wise Wealth Workshop. I haven't taught it in a really, really, really long time. It's all the prosperity and abundance stuff that I have learned and practiced for 30 years, but particularly now that the company, Drawing the Circle Productions, is 20 years old, I think I've got some street cred on teaching this stuff in particular, and I know it from so many different disciplines and philosophies and stuff, everything from angels to Zen, baby. Hey, Jill! How you doing, old Jill? I was just about to talk about it, right? So, Drawing the Circle Productions tomorrow for New Moon. We're launching a whole bunch of stuff. Our subscription service is already up. Grace and Guidance, it's called. It's already up on the website if you go to drawingthecircle.com. 3 levels, 3 levels of subscription. The audio, the video, and the audio video. 3 different prices. You renew every month, or it auto-renews every month, and there's just a lot of cool stuff on there. So that's launching tomorrow, but you can go sign up today if you want. Go to my website. Subscribe. It's good stuff. I'm working my brains out. Oh, every chakra is on full blast, sweetheart. I'm making this shit work. But another thing that's launching tomorrow, Jen Capeza, if you can hear me. Hi, handsome. I miss you too much too, Tony. And oh my God, get better so we can hang and chill. You still have a Cycle 2 class to take, but you might just wait until we do it this summer, whatever. So Jen Capeza, my beloved social media manager at All Caps Consulting, and dear friend, by the way, I've known her since she was, a teenager? Oh, these kids and their tech. She suggested I write a little mini ebook to help make an incentive for people to join our Constant Contact list. Yes, we are Constant Contact. Hope is all well. White light, white light, white light, white light. So write a little mini ebook. So I did, except the mini ebook, which is supposed to be 5 or 6 pages, turned into 40. So what we're doing is we're putting half of that up as an incentive. If you subscribe to us on Constant Contact, that's launching tomorrow. Thank you. Oh, I'll talk about the t-shirt in a minute. I ain't done. So if you subscribe to us on Constant Contact, you get essentially half of the book that I wrote in the past week. It's called Spell Ingredients. But then, hopefully by tomorrow, we'll also have the full ebook up, available for purchase online. This is all new to me. Like, I did not know. Oh, did you hear that? That was a good one. I didn't know a week ago that I would be doing this. This was all just like bam, 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 bam. Inspiration hit, and I incarnated it into form as quickly as I fucking could. So, there's a lot of good stuff hitting, particularly now that I have learned. By the way, I taught myself PowerPoint. Taught myself PowerPoint. Made an ebook. And now I know how to make ebooks. And so this is the first one. It's called Spell Ingredients. It's about, the ingredients that go into a spell, but it's not all about candles, crystals, and herbs. No, it's essentially the basics of what we teach in Witch Class Cycle 1, Class 3, basic spells. It's a lot of fun. And it's very colorful. It's almost like a picture book. Well, not an adult picture book. You know, my mom's going to see this shit. So thank you, Vicky. I know. Oh, okay. Really quick. This t-shirt, here, I'll stand up a little bit, is a Bette Midler tour t-shirt when she did Day Tour, like Detour, Day Tour, French, in 1983. I know it's probably backwards to you. So I got this t-shirt in 1983. Please don't do the math. I was born in 68 if someone wants to. And this shit still fits. Well, you know, being a love God and all of that, it does kind of happen sooner or later. I am in my prime, girls. Yeah. So, that's it. So, blessed dark moon tonight. If you want to call it blessed dark moon, great. In Taurus. Glad I'm teaching Wise Wealth tonight. Tomorrow, oh my God, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the big day. New moon in Gemini on a Wednesday. Get your incense ready, get your sage, get your whatever you need to do. I am going to be doing a wealth spell tonight, for the dark moon. Major T awesomeness. I know, I'm just giving myself the golden double. Oh. Yeah. So I will be doing a spell tonight for, new moon for wealth for the Wise Wealth Workshop. Please come down 7 p.m. And tomorrow, oh my God, the ebook hits, the subscription service hits. Really seriously, go to joiningthecircle.com. You'll see along the top bar, there's a thing that says, Grace and Guidance. Click on that. You'll see like audio, visual. It's the 3 different levels, of subscription. Try it out. You can, cancel at any time. I'll be changing stuff on there once a month. It's a really, really good deal. And if you have any questions, private message me. Thank you, Andrew Schlapp, my hypnotist psychic friend. Oh, sorry. Is that a Linda Georgian flashback? So that's it. Obviously, I'm still in process of making myself look pretty because I am taping tonight. So I'm going back to editing the new ebook so that it is ready for purchase tomorrow. All right. I wish you all well, blessed new moon, whatever it is that you do, and just have a great day. Ciao bello.